Okay. That'll do. Oh shit. Try not to make a mess. I'm like the messiest person you'll ever meet. Okay, so into the bowl. There's a bit left if you want some more. I've got so much in mine. You're gonna have to eat some of mine. Okay, and then I like to make it pretty. So I've made these like many a times before when we've had like villas in Bali's and stuff. Bali's? in Bali.
In Bali's.
But yeah, it's so yummy. It's healthy and it's really filling as well. And it doesn't even feel like it's healthy, which is good because you know me.
Natural sugar.
Yeah, it is full of natural sugar, so you probably shouldn't eat too much of it, but it's better than eating loads of chocolate, which is like, you know, what we've been doing the past 3 weeks, so 3 months, should I say.
First breakfast.
Oh yeah, oh, and we had some chocolate almond milk. So probably not the best, but at least we're eating healthy now, which is the main thing, right? So now I just make it really pretty. I put bits of banana around the outside. I'll show you. Just slapped my tattoo. So this is what it looks like right now.
Do you want me to hold it?
Yes, please. And then raw power. This stuff lasts for ages if you're like, what's the word?
Getting it yourself?
Yeah, but not like, you're not overusing it. Use like a bit at a time.
If you're conservative.
Conservative. Okay, and then just make it a bit pretty like that. And that's it. How easy was that?
Prettiest mess in the world.
Oh fuck. Oh my god. Okay, stop.